Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to update your Patreon application. If you are looking for an update for your Patreon application, then the process is quite easy. Simply go ahead and open your App Store or your Play Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it's done, go to the search box and type in Patreon and search. Once you find the Patreon application in the search results, if there is an update available for the app, it should be located right next to the application as it is showing on the screen right now. Simply go ahead and tap on the update button to begin the latest version updates for the app. Wait for the app to be updated, which might take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed, and once it's done with the regular update, tap on the open button to open the newly updated version of your Patreon application. It is crucial to update your applications now and then since it comes up with bug fixes and performance improvement. So that's how you can easily update to the latest version of your Patreon application using your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.